Welcome back, health enthusiasts, to the Healthomax channel. Today, we're zooming into a subject that resonates deeply with both men and women: hair loss. A full head of hair is often associated with vitality and confidence, so it's no wonder that hair loss can be distressing. But fret not, because in this video, we're delving into the world of organic foods that can help reverse hair loss. Yes, you heard that right. Nature's bounty can be your ally in regaining that luscious mane. Let's start with spinach, a leafy green powerhouse. Spinach is loaded with iron, which is essential for healthy hair. Iron helps transport oxygen to your hair follicles, promoting growth and preventing hair loss. A deficiency in iron can lead to hair thinning and even hair loss. So, load up on spinach to ensure your hair follicles are well nourished. But that's not all. Spinach is also rich in vitamins A and C, which support the production of sebum, the natural oil that keeps your scalp moisturized. A dry scalp can lead to dandruff and hair breakage, so these vitamins play a crucial role in maintaining scalp health. By including more spinach in your diet, you're not only addressing hair loss, but also enhancing the overall health of your hair. Next on our list is salmon, a delicious fish teeming with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential for hair health because they provide the building blocks for shiny, lustrous hair. These fatty acids improve hair elasticity and reduce inflammation in the scalp, which can otherwise contribute to hair loss. Additionally, salmon is rich in protein and vitamin D, which are both vital for strong, healthy hair. Protein is the structural foundation of your hair, while vitamin D supports hair follicle function. By adding salmon to your diet, you're nourishing your hair from the inside out, resulting in hair that not only grows but also gleams. Now let's talk about sweet potatoes. These delicious root vegetables are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for the production of sebum, the natural oil that moisturizes your scalp and keeps your hair healthy. Without adequate vitamin A, your scalp can become dry and itchy, leading to hair loss. Sweet potatoes also contain vitamin E, which enhances blood circulation to the scalp. Improved circulation means your hair follicles receive more nutrients and oxygen, promoting hair growth. So, indulge in a serving of sweet potatoes as a tasty way to fortify your hair's foundation. Eggs are next on our list, and they're like little protein powerhouses in a shell. They contain not only protein, but also biotin, both crucial for hair health. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, is often referred to as the hair growth vitamin. It plays a pivotal role in the production of keratin, a protein that forms the structure of your hair. A deficiency in biotin can lead to hair loss and brittle hair, so eggs are your go-to source for maintaining healthy levels. Protein, on the other hand, is the building block of your hair. Your hair is primarily composed of a protein called keratin, and consuming an adequate amount of protein ensures your body has the building blocks it needs to produce strong and healthy hair. So, make eggs a regular part of your diet to nourish your hair from within. Moving on to berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. These colorful gems are packed with antioxidants, which play a vital role in maintaining healthy hair follicles. Antioxidants combat oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can damage hair cells and contribute to hair loss. By indulging in these delicious organic treats, you're effectively protecting your hair from within. But the benefits don't stop there. Berries are also rich in vitamin C, which aids in collagen production. Collagen is a structural protein that strengthens hair, making it less prone to breakage. So, think of your morning berry smoothie as a beauty elixir that not only supports hair growth, but also enhances your hair's strength and resilience. Now, let's talk about avocados, the creamy green superstars of the produce aisle. Avocado is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which are essential for maintaining a well-hydrated scalp. A dry scalp can lead to itching, dandruff, and hair loss, so incorporating avocados into your diet can help keep your scalp in optimal condition. Furthermore, avocados contain vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that improves blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring your hair follicles receive the nutrients they need to thrive. Additionally, this vitamin aids in repairing damaged hair follicles, reducing hair loss. So, enjoy some guacamole or sliced avocado on whole grain toast for a delicious way to nourish your hair from within. Let's dive into almonds, a nutrient-packed nut that does wonders for your hair. Almonds are a rich source of biotin, which, as we've mentioned before, is essential for hair health. Biotin helps strengthen the hair shaft, reducing breakage and promoting overall hair growth. By including almonds in your diet, you're providing your hair with the essential building blocks it needs to thrive. Almonds are also loaded with magnesium, which plays a role in hair growth. This essential mineral helps improve blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring that your hair follicles receive the nutrients they require. Additionally, magnesium helps reduce hair loss by preventing the weakening of hair strands. So, munch on a handful of almonds as a tasty and nutritious snack that benefits both your hair and overall well-being. Greek yogurt is up next, and it's a double-edged sword against hair loss. Firstly, Greek yogurt is a rich source of protein, which is vital for hair health. As mentioned earlier, your hair is primarily composed of a protein called keratin, and consuming enough protein ensures that your body has the necessary materials to build strong and healthy hair. But Greek yogurt doesn't stop at protein. It also contains probiotics. These beneficial bacteria promote a healthy gut, and a growing body of research suggests that a balanced gut microbiome may contribute to improved hair health. A healthy gut helps with nutrient absorption, ensuring that your hair follicles receive the essential vitamins and minerals they need to thrive. So enjoy Greek yogurt as a tasty and protein-packed way to support your hair from the inside out. Let's talk about walnuts, another nut that's a true friend to your hair. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for hair health. These fatty acids improve hair elasticity and reduce inflammation in the scalp, which can otherwise contribute to hair loss. By including walnuts in your diet, you're nourishing your scalp, resulting in hair that not only grows but also gleams. Additionally, walnuts contain biotin. Biotin plays a pivotal role in the production of keratin, a protein that forms the structure of your hair. A deficiency in biotin can lead to hair loss and brittle hair, so walnuts are a delicious way to maintain healthy levels of this essential nutrient. So, grab a handful of walnuts as a convenient and nutritious snack to support your hair's vitality. Last but not least, let's explore lentils, a plant-based powerhouse that combines both protein and iron, making it an excellent choice for hair health. As mentioned previously, protein is crucial for strong, healthy hair. Ensuring an adequate intake of protein in your diet helps your body produce hair that's less prone to breakage and hair loss. Iron, on the other hand, is essential for healthy hair growth. It helps transport oxygen to your hair follicles, promoting growth and preventing hair loss. A deficiency in iron can lead to hair thinning and hair loss, so lentils provide a fantastic source of this vital mineral. Including lentils in your meals is a straightforward yet effective way to nourish your hair from within. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to reversing hair loss through the power of organic foods. Whether it's spinach, salmon, sweet potatoes, eggs, berries, avocado, almonds, Greek yogurt, walnuts, or lentils, these foods can be your allies in regaining a fuller and more vibrant head of hair. Remember that hair growth is a gradual process, so be patient and consistent with your dietary choices. Your hair will thank you with increased strength, thickness, and vitality. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, smash that subscribe, and ring that notification bell to join our vibrant community of wellness warriors. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep brushing that luscious, revitalized hair.